public hearing for the 2016 levy to order. Roll call.
Mr. Kolstad?
Here.
Ms. Brinker New? Mr. Nielsen?
Here.
Mr. Pearson?
Here.
Ms. Bellamy?
Here.
Stand to the pledge.
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Okay. Opportunity for public to comment on the 2016 levy.
Permission not to stand? Is that acceptable?
That's fine.
Thank you. My comment tonight isn't about what's legal and what's not. It's about what comes across to be a lie when I myself and other people in the public hear statements from the Park District as an entity. And when the message is we want to outreach to the public, but here I'm sitting at a public hearing on a matter that I have no documentation on. So to make comment and reference on a matter that you are opening the floor to for public comments on, and I have no document to be able to formulate any comments, kind of makes it to where this isn't a public hearing on the levy. It's just sort of a moment for the public to speak. And I think that I'm getting more and more concerned. I was hoping with new personnel in place that, again, it would not be the matter of legal versus illegal, but that it would be more of that matter of the outreach that I know these board members and even Rose, the night you were here for your interview, you got an earful from us kind of thing. So I'm feeling really uncomfortable during this portion of this part of the meeting that there's nothing to talk about with the 2016 levy when it comes to the public because the document wasn't made public. So whether it was legal,
Can I respond, please?
whether it was legal or not, doesn't matter.
No, not on the legality of it. One of our responsibilities as part of this public hearing is to publish what the legal notice is and what the hearing is about, which was done in the messenger. I actually have the certificate of publication.
I'm not
So-
doubting that.
so
You're
that
missing
is
my
the
message, but you're missing my message. What you provided was proof that you complied with the law. I'm not challenging the law. I am challenging the fact that congratulations, so you complied with the law. You still failed on the outreach level that you keep on pledging that you are going to do. So it doesn't matter that you complied. Congratulations. It's in compliance, but you still failed miserably in that outreach portion of the concept that here I sit in these meetings and I do attend and I do my best to get messages out to the public in the clearest way I possibly can, and I can't talk about the levy tonight with the public because even though the legal messages that you did put out, they unfortunately are not accessible even through the website. So again, it wasn't about legal or illegal, and drop it, it's not about legal. It's about,
It was on our website as well. A special notice was on our website.
I went to two separate places where it should be. It should be either under the board member section where the agendas and minutes are, or it should have been under notices, which it wasn't. More importantly, again, the idea that I'm squabbling right now breaks my heart. I shouldn't have to squabble on the specific details of what you did or didn't do. I'm delivering the message to you that I am somebody who actively tries to stay connected, and it's not happening. And it's not happening because of exactly this type of a moment. I'm being told that you did what you needed to do, and that's that. And the problem with that is this. You guys have proven that once you're satisfied with your effort, you're done. And that's not discourse and discussion, that's dictating and demanding. So I guess at least for this portion of the meeting of the public hearing, there's not much else I can reference in terms of the levy. And congratulations on being legal about it. Nobody still has access to the document even right now because you didn't even stand up and get me a copy of it, but you sure were happy to go ahead and grab a copy to cite what you did. You did nothing to aid me or the public in seeing this levy that we're supposed to be talking about, which shows me you are no different than your predecessor. Thank you.
Thank you for your comment. Being no further comments from the floor, I'll close the floor and looking for a motion to adjourn our public hearing for the levy.
I'll make a motion.
I'll second.
Mr. Colson?
Here, or, no.
Oh, sorry, Mr. Nielsen?
Aye.
Mr. Pearson?
Aye.
Mr. Colson?
Aye.
Ms. Pilney? Aye.